In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a product module to your marketing email in Hubspot. Whether you're looking to showcase your products in a visually appealing way or simply streamline your email campaigns, this tutorial will guide you through the process step by step. By the end, you'll have a professional email that not only looks great, but also helps your audience engage with your products more effectively. If you don't already have a Hubspot account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and get started. First, head over to the Hubspot homepage and log into your account. You'll find the login button typically located in the top right corner of the page. If you don't see it right away, don't worry. Just take a moment to scan the top navigation bar and it should appear. Once you're logged in, navigate to the top menu bar and click on the marketing option. This will take you to the section where all of HubSpot's marketing tools are located. It's the hub for managing your campaigns, so it's a great place to start. Next, from the marketing section, select the email option. This will bring you to your email dashboard, where you can see all your existing email campaigns. It's essentially your control center for creating and managing your email communications. Now, browse through the list of emails in your dashboard and find the one you want to modify. When you've located it, click on the Edit button next to that email. Keep in mind that this step only lets you access the design and content settings. It won't send the email yet, so you can make changes without worrying about accidentally sending it out. Once you're in the email editor, look for the Products option. It's one of the tools available within the editor, and this is where you'll be able to integrate a product module into your email. If you don't see it immediately, take a moment to explore the options within the editor. It should be there. After clicking on the Products option, you'll be able to select the specific products you want to showcase in your email. This is a great way to visually enhance your email, as the products will be displayed in a structured and appealing layout. Choose the ones that are most relevant to your audience or campaign goals. Before you finalize anything, take a moment to review the email. Check the layout, the formatting, and the accuracy of the content. Look out for typos, errors, or anything that might look off. This is your chance to ensure the email appears polished and professional before it goes out to your audience. Once you're satisfied with the design and content, save your changes. When you're ready, you can go ahead and send the email to your audience. This final step ensures your enhanced email is delivered with the updated product module, helping you engage your audience more effectively. And that's it. Now you know exactly how to add a product module to your marketing email in HubSpot. If you have any questions or want to see more tutorials like this, let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.